Meron din silang makakontribute, syempre, dito sa ating topic sa SKL, which is all about breast cancer awareness.
Yes, kasi walang pinipili ang breast cancer, mga kada. In fact, may mga lalaki pa rin, malalaki to, na nagkakaroon po din ito. Pero, pag-usapan pa naman natin ito, yung sa atin, mga babae, kasi yan ang topic natin ngayon, di ba? Sino ba sa inyo, mga girls, mga beautiful girls, nakapag-mammography or breast ultrasound na nakapag-check up po regularly kayo? Meron ba sa
Meron
inyo?
po ba sa inyo?
Is this something that you guys regularly do? Ganong kadalas kayo nagpapa-breast ultrasound? Or have you ever experienced a mammogram before? Let's ask Carabin.
Ayan. Actually, hindi ko pa po na-try. However, I'm very much conscious when it comes to my body. Talagang pinapangalagaan ko po talaga to. And very much thankful na may mga gantong pagkakataong talk and sa mga breast kung paano, ano pa yung ways na maiwasan yung breast cancer. Ayan.
Do you do self-examination?
Yes, at least dapat may self-testing, self-examination. Have you guys ever done that?
Yes, actually, yes po. But however, I've never been to a doctor po to check my breast. Pero from time to time, yes po.
You do
Okay,
self-examination.
sabi nila, 3 things that are very important when it comes to breast cancer, and that's self-testing, which everyone should do. Lahat ng babae, kahit mga kalalakihan, kailangan mag-self-test at least once a month. And then another thing that could actually save your life and also save a lot of money is early detection.
Correct.
Di ba, amiga?
Yes.
Kasi the longer we are unaware that we have a malignant tumor, a malignant na bukol, or breast cancer, the more expensive and the more complicated the treatment becomes, hindi ba, amiga?
If you prolong your diagnosis, talaga, mas mahihirapan po tayo dyan. Especially na, you can
It's
always...
dangerous na nga.
Dangerous. It's very harmful, especially yung treatment. Kasi, especially yung mga available ngayon, nako, it's really, really harmful sa ating katawan. So, if you're not prepared, baka hindi nga dahil sa cancer, mawawala po ang buhay natin kundi doon sa treatment mismo na hindi natin kayang labanan. Kaya, importante po may self-examination po tayo,
Yes.
especially pag mayroon tayong yung mga dates na may period tayo. Kasi minsan, may mga bukol.
7 to 10 days from the first day of your period.
Correct.
Dapat ginagawa ang self-examination. Tapos, syempre screening also.
Yes.
Importante
You know,
din.
it's very simple. Alam mo yung when you just go to your OB or your gynecologist, just check na lang. Yung ultrasound could be the first step. Kasi yung ultrasound,
Yes.
diba, ginagawa naman natin yan sa mga tiyan ng mga pregnant women.
Yes.
So, pwede din yan dito sa ating mga breasts. Doon mismo makikita mo kung meron kang anything. Kung may bukol, may shape po yon. Kung wala siyang shape, doon kailangan ka ng biopsy.
How often should that be done, amiga?
Yes, my
That should be done at least once a year.
I
diba?
do it every March because that's when I first was diagnosed on actually February 14 noong 2018. That's when I found out I had breast cancer. Ngayon, every March, kasi March yung surgery ko,
So, every
ako
March.
nag-start yung treatment. Every March, I get my ultrasound.
Oo. Ito, sabi nila, ano
Yearly.
daw yan two-prong. You really have to do your breast ultrasound and also your mammogram.
Mammogram, yeah.
Yes. No matter how uncomfortable it is, ako have na-experience ko na yon. This is the test that talagang they really squish it.
Squish
Tapos
it.
medyo masakit.
Masakit.
Pero kasi merong mga nakikita sa mammogram na hindi mo makikita sa ultrasound. Kaya kailangan talaga gawin siya together.
Oo,
Noted.
pero alam nyo, mas mura din, mas affordable po yung ultrasound. Mas available din po siya at less harmful. Ngayon, why I'm telling this? Kasi nga, sa personal experience ko, sa ultrasound pa lang nalaman na namin na may something. Kasi yung shape niya, kakaiba. I have a photo, maybe in the future I'll share it with you, with everyone here. Parang nakaganon siya. Usually, di ba, pag may bukol, may shape. Yung makakapa mo siya na parang bilog. Yung sa akin, sobrang liit. the size of an olive seed.
So, nakapa mo ba yun?
Nakapa ko yun. And then
So,
dito sa
nakapa
may...
mo, tapos nagpunta ka na sa doctor mo.
Malapit lang siya sa may
Kilikili.
kilikili, oo. And then ito pa, during my check-up, hindi nila makita. Sabi ko, wait lang. Itataas ko muna yung kilikili ko para ma-feel mo talaga. Doon nila nahanap. Tapos sabi ng girl na nag-exam sa akin, Mom, hindi ko gusto yung shape. Alam mo yung parang sa tree, yung mga ganon-ganon, yung hindi mo masabi, wala
Yes,
siyang shape na
yes.
eksakto. Sabi niya, pag ganon po, delikado, kailangan natin ng biopsy to make sure na hindi siya malignant, hindi siya cancer. Nung kinuha nila yung biopsy, finally, pinabalik ako sa
And how did that
clinic.
feel? Kasi, alam mo na eh.
Alam mo
Kasi
na yun
kung
eh.
hindi siya malignant, they would have just maybe
Tell you
texted
to
you
over
or
the phone.
called you.
Oo.
Pero ganong ka nakaka-tense yung fact na after your
Ultrasound.
tests and everything, pinabalik ka sa hospital. Yun yung ayaw mong mangyari,
Ito
di ba?
pa, I was on stage, girls. Tapos tumawag yung doctor. I'm about to sing pa. Hi, you need to come back. I know.
about
You
to
need to
sing.
come back to the clinic. Maybe tomorrow. We really need to talk to you. Alam ko na yun. So what I did, I started preparing myself, studying, researching, seeing yung mga cases na nag-work, na nag-succeed yung treatment nila. Anong ginawa nila? Kailangan po talaga self-study din yun.
Research din.
Research,
Tapos,
yes.
paano mo tinanggap yung, ano sinabi sa inyo doon sa diagnosis?
At first, ang unang doctor na ma-meet nyo, baka magalit kayo sa kanya. Kasi talaga, he will really scare you. And then talagang you will be like, no, I don't wanna listen anything. Like, kasi
What did he say?
mag-freak out. She told me,
May
go ahead.
nararamdaman ka bang iba, amiga?
Walang sakit. Like, you don't feel any pain. Nothing. As in,
Wala
dinelay
namang
ko
pain
pa yun,
talaga
ha.
in the beginning.
I felt, wala, no pain.
Oo.
I felt something na I was like, maybe after a month, I'll check. Maybe mawawala yan. Yung ganon, yung parang denial stage.
Oo,
Alam mo
in
yun?
denial.
Yeah, and then I delayed 2 months before I actually had it checked, which was stage 2B na. So, kapag 2B, hindi na siya yung simple lang. Pero, buti na lang, early detection pa rin. At first, P, to answer your question, my mom was beside me. So I just looked at my mom and then she was crying and then I didn't at first. When I went home, doon akong umiyak. Sabi ko, anong gagawin ko? Anong dapat kong gawin? Pero for some reason, I think God prepared me for this talaga, na I wasn't so scared. I was more of like, anong kailangan kong gawin? Ganun lang. Ang pinaka nakakatakot, the lifestyle change. Tinanggal ang sugar, tinanggal ang carbs. As in, tinanggal lahat ng cosmetics, anything chemical na ginagamit natin, na pahid-pahid, anything, bawal. You have to make your own. That's on my treatment, ha. Kasi lahat ng toxins, tatanggalin mo, i-detox mo for 1 year. So, medyo malala.
Malaking adjustment for
Malaking
you.
adjustment. Aside from, syempre yung buhok natin, naglalagas kasi nga may mga oral na tinitake ko. Parang yung isang guest natin before na si Sherwin noon nung kada pa tayo. I remember we had the guests who's telling us oral medicine can also be just as harmful as chemo.
I think it's important to note here that it is not treated the same for everyone.
No, yes, exactly.
May iba-ibang klase po ito at depende sa klase ng breast cancer, you will also find out from your doctor kung anong
Kung ano yung
nararapat na
dapat sa'yo.
treatment.
Different
In the
case
case of
basis.
Diana, hindi siya nakapag-chemo at saka nag-radio
Yeah.
radiation.
Yeah, I
which
did
is-
combined treatment,
Oo.
which is a little bit of hospital treatment and also a lot of follow-up at home and naturopath doctors who helped me with herbs and other stuff. Pero case-to-case basis yan mga kada, you have to really consult your doctor because depending on the cancer, kung gaano kalala, kung anong stage siya,
Correct.
iba po ang treatment
yes,
natin.
Iba-ibang treatment. Carl, we have someone who wants to share from the audience.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano pong pangalan, ma'am?
Amy.
Yes, go ahead, Amy.
Gana, from Nueva Ecija.
Yes, Amy.
Mahirap po talaga magkaroon ng breast cancer. 2007 na diagnosis ako, as in talagang masakit. Hindi ko siya nakapa, para siyang plema daw, nakaano sa muscle. And then, pag ano po siya.
Okay.
Pag
Hindi mo
oras
siya
na-
nakapa?
Hindi siya
Paano niyo po
nakapa.
na-detect?
Pero nung nagmamogram ako, tumalsik yung parang asintarang nana.
Oh, so
As in, sakit talaga.
this is a routine mammogram po na
Ako
ginagawa
mammogram.
ninyo?
As in talaga, di po ba, ini-squish yun?
Oo.
Pag ini-squish siya, yung ano talaga, lalabas siya eh.
May nag-seep out na
Oo,
talaga.
nag-seep out
Ano
talaga.
pong klaseng treatment yung ginawa?
Nag-chemo din ako 7 times. 2007, nakapapanganak ko pa lang sa anak ko. 8 months siya.
Anong stage po kayo noon?
1 week na siya before mag-stage 2. Pero counted na siya stage 2.
And now po, you're cancer-free.
Sabi ng doktor, huwag tayo magtiwala na zero cancer tayo. Mag-ingat pa rin tayo sa kinakain natin. And then number 1 is exercise.
Exercise.
Exercise po. Yun. And then, bawal
Yeah.
ng ma-stress.
Sabi nga po nila na yes, you can get it from your
Family.
genetics.
Yes,
Lahi po
hereditary.
namin talaga.
Some is lahi po
Lahi
talaga
po.
sa inyo. Pero most cases po talaga ay talagang
Lifestyle
random.
choices.
Right.
Yes.
Kasi sometimes, ang
Thank you po, Miss
Thank
Amy.
you for
Thank
sharing.
you for sharing.
Thank you.
Scientifically, di ba, Miss P, they claim that it's 5 to 10, sometimes to 15% only. So imagine, you still have 85% na pwede kang lumaban dyan pagdating sa lahi. So if you change your lifestyle and alam mo na may cancer sa family mo, baguhin mo yung mga kinakain nyo.
Baguhin na agad ang lifestyle.
Agad-agad.
Yun pala.
You know why it matters? Kasi you've been eating the same thing as your family members who got sick your entire life. Pero pag binago mo yon, binago mo na rin ang lifestyle mo. Even the way when you sleep, how you stress, your emotions, mental, everything.
Thank you, amiga.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!